Call the local authorities to tell them there was some guy you've never seen hanging around in front of your apartment. I mean, dress it up a little bit. Hanging around in front of your apartment, like looking for, just like strange behavior or something like that. Just use vague language.
Suspicious behavior.
Yeah, just do that so it's on the book somewhere. I mean, they might send somebody by. I mean, seriously, like if you think it's, if you're worried about it, I'd do that.
I haven't had a ghost. Stupid. I forgot ghost is useless. Kinda useless.
I haven't driven a Warthog since like the last time we played Monster Truck. No, it shouldn't be, but I feel people use it like that.
No! Oh, wow.
Damn it, BBK.
Ah, I fought it though.
Woo! Well, it's like
Round over.
no, it's like iTunes. If you look in your like advanced settings, there's like for the random function, you can turn it like on higher or lower randomity, and that doesn't make sense to me because it's random. It's fucking random.
It's not actually random. That's the thing.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure I just made up the word randomity.
Oh, I get.
It's the only word I could think to use it. Yeah,
Oh,
like
God.
we're trying to do like. Dude, I horns in you.
I just fishtailed right off the end. I don't even know how I did that.
You're not.
Aaron's just blowing up, he says.
Oh yeah, boy. Bam. Bam. No. Oh shit. Oh my gosh. Why? What happened? I don't remember screaming last night. No. Get the fuck out of here, Greg. Can't see. Get off of me. Get off of me. Oh yeah, you're about to die, bitch. Oh yeah. You guys are playing Battlefield before I got online? No! Go! Come on, baby! Oh yeah. No! What kind of capture card did you get?
Round over.
HD PVR2? Nice.
Yeah,
Oh,
the
me and-
face G2.
Not only me and Derek were playing it, we were kicking ass last night. Yeah. You have Turtle Beaches, don't you? You'll probably have to buy like a cable splitter for that small little headphone wire that goes to your controller, and then put it and run it into your PC. Like I use, like my headphones are like all in one. Like everything goes
That's weird.
via USB into the computer. So. Oh man.
There we go.
Yeah, Blake. Get out of here, Blake. Get out of here, Blake. Suck a dick. No! Uh-oh. Did Austin survive? I'm the man. You dirty pirate hooker. God damn it. I got shouldered off. Ow. Yeah. Mike, that's how
Round over.
Because I put
his
a
microphone
on
totally fell asleep with his mic on yesterday.
What are you talking about?
You were out, dude.
Slayer.
Man, after I got off Halo? No, I played, downloaded that game when I was playing Halo.
Fuck you, wait a minute. You were playing you were downloading that game all drunk and shit. And you're like, oh, it's gonna take forever. Yeah.
This looks fun.
Get out of here, Blake. Get out of here, Blake.
Oh,
come on.
shit!
No!
For a way long time.
I just can't drive a Warthog. I spun my camera around and it confused me. I backed off the edge.
I don't think I was doing so hot at Halo tonight, guys.
No, you were awful. I can't do this. I can't do it. Oh, get out of here. Oh. You're such a fucking goddamn you. I don't know. It's because you win a lot. That's why I hate you. It's pure and simple. Like I have no real reason. It's because you're good and it annoys me. Yeah, no, you shouldn't be sorry. You shouldn't be sorry.
I texted Wick too. I think he's
He's
probably out.
Oh,
He's probably out.
I left their company actually. They're
Alright.
they're going
What's up,
out.
man? That's what I figured.
I have arrived. Oh, it's hard. Forever.
Alright.
That's a random spawn point.
Oh, it's been a long time.
And
5 minutes remain.
You didn't spend any time or waste any time trying to annoy me. Oh my gosh. Yeah, far good.
It's like riding a bike.
it's not working tonight, I'm assuming, Derek.
I texted my friend Jason too. We'll see if he hops on.
Mystic Moose.
Yeah, that guy. I texted him.
He always talks on my friends list. I really know much for a while.
I haven't talked to him in a couple of months. I don't know if he's doing anything, but I texted him.
I got it. You don't. You have no friends?
We're all here.
Dang it. Blake trying to be... Get out of here, Bard. That's what you get. Get out of here, Bard. I just want to get a damn warthog. Unmolested. Push it, Derek. Fuck, damn it, BBK! Fucking asshole. That was hilarious. I literally pushed you halfway down the map. I know.
Regular.
BBK, did I tell you that there's a 2 streets down in the industrial complex where my warehouse is? There's a Trafalgar Street.
I think it is, yeah. Awesome.
It's really random.
That's where Brian got the name from.
Actually, I
Street in Fort Wayne.
got it from Trafalgar.
In a city that's not living.
I got it from the Battle of Trafalgar where Napoleon and fights the British. It's kind of a big deal.
Yeah. How did that work out for him?
Not very well. British kind of keep his ass.
Mm-hmm.
Slayer.
God, I want to just play. I have not gotten to play in minutes. Keep dying. Noob. Shut up, faggot.
I take whatever vehicle I spawn next to.
I could have killed you, Greg. I should have killed you. No! Brian Batch cleanup.
Oh shit. Oh, really? I off edge.
Kill yourself. Kill yourself.
I was trying to get. I'm talking to a warthog.
Nah.
Hit me.
Don't even try to make excuses. We all saw what happened.
Yeah. I didn't even see you, baby. I was trying to get in the hog.
Slayer.
My story. Do it.
I have plenty of witnesses.
Fuck off. Damn it. Fucking friends I chose. No, Bart! We break up this little party here. You're seeing your guys' avatars again. I'm gonna see whatever they're called. No! Oh shit, Derek! No! Damn it! Your character makes the funniest noise when you fight Austin. I know, he's like, like he just took a dick in the mouth. It's like, oh.
No.
You haven't seen Barb's gay white little soldier in a long time.
Somebody called it.
Yeah, it's 2 months.
I heard that, Blake. my gay little white soldier. Did you call your pieces? Do you think if what I think if unlimited power. Oh, of course there's Blake. Of course there's Blake coming in.
Go back to me. I'm drinking at Wims. I said okay. Or I'm drinking at Jim's. I said okay. And he replied, and drunk. I thought it was funny.
I gotta. Yeah, it wasn't. Anyway.
Well, fuck you guys. I'm going home. Fuck you guys. I'm going home.
Because you tried to be Jewish at the beginning. No!
Real human.
You see that, like, you see that cloud on your, dang it, Austin, you faggot. You see that, like,
slow
cloud
push.
of, like, redness on your map, like, approach you from behind. Really? Get out of here.
What? Can't drive a hog worth of shit right now.
I got Derek boxed in. Well, I did for a minute.
Got a hog right on my tail.
No, oh really? Power!
What are you gonna do with all that junk? All that junk inside your trunk?
Really?
I last
You found
played
that?
on December 30th, so it's been a little while.
Damn, dude.
Yeah, I was doing on the
Damn
show.
Doing other stuff. I would sure hope so. Just been in bed for 2 months.
I was playing Chrono Trigger before I came on here.
Oh, nice.
I've been on a PlayStation kick.